Hello, chemistry lovers. We know you are very curious about science and chemistry. In today's episode, we are going to discuss about uses of chemistry in everyday life. First, we learn what is chemistry. Chemistry is the science of matter and its interactions with other matter and energy. Chemistry is everywhere in our daily life. From the food we eat, the air we breathe, the water we drink, the things we use, the medicines we take, the cosmetics we use, the clothes we wear, to the technology we enjoy, everything is made with the help of chemistry. Now we are going to discuss some examples that show how important is chemistry and how useful is chemistry in our daily life. First is food. Everyone loves food. Chemistry is involved in the production, processing, presentation and clothing of cooking of food. For example, fermentation is a chemical process that converts sugar into alcohol and carbon dioxide by the action of yeast. Fermentation is used to make bread, wine, beer, cheese, yogurt, and other foods. Cooking food involves chemical reactions such as the Maillard reaction that gives brown color of the food, flavor of the food, aroma of the food. Food additives such as coloring agents, preservatives, stabilizers, binders, sweeteners, and antioxidants all are also chemicals that enhance the appearance, taste, texture, shelf life, and nutritional value of the food. Air. Chemistry helps us to understand the composition and properties of the air we breathe. Air is very important. We cannot live without air. Air is the mixture of gases, mainly nitrogen, that is about 78%, oxygen about 21%, argon about 0.9%, and other gases in very small traces like carbon dioxide, water vapors, ozone, and other substances. Air pollution is caused by the emission of harmful chemicals into the atmosphere from various sources such as vehicles, industries, power plants, and fires. Air pollution can affect human health and environment by causing respiratory problem, acid rain, smoke, greenhouse effect, and chemical climate change. So friends, try to reduce air pollution and make this earth good place to breathe and consume good air. Water. Chemistry helps us to purify and treat the water so we can drink and use it for various purposes. Water is a polar molecule that can dissolve many substances due to its ability to form hydrogen bonds with other molecules. Water also undergoes chemical reactions with the other substances such as acids, bases, salts, metals, organic compounds. Water quality is affected by the presence of contaminants in water sources such as bacteria, viruses, parasites, pesticides, heavy metals, nitrates, phosphates, organic pollutants. Water treatment method uses physical, chemical, and biological process to remove or to reduce these contaminants and make water safe for consumption and for users. So chemistry is very useful to treat water to make it more affordable, more usable and contaminants free for our consumption. Medicines. Chemistry is essential for the discovery and development of medicines that can cure and prevent diseases. Medicines are substances that interact with specific targets in the body to produce a desired effect. Medicines can be derived from natural sources such as plants, animals, or synthesized in laboratory using chemical reactions. Medicines can be classified into different categories based on their mode. So friends, we see chemistry is everywhere. We use chemistry in everyday life. So we cannot see this world without the help of chemistry. Love chemistry, spread chemistry. Friends, if you like this podcast interesting, do like, subscribe and follow this podcast. You can also visit the description of this podcast to bring our notebook on chemistry. Thank you to listening this podcast.